You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 29/28. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 157/14 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 24. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 29/28.